Osha, Ligusticum porteri, is a remarkable plant, revered for its medicinal properties and rich history of use among indigenous peoples and herbalists alike. Known by many nicknames, such as Colorado cough root, bear medicine, bear root, Indian parsley lovage, Porter's wild lovage, love root, mountain ginseng, mountain carrot, and Empress of the dark forest, Osha occupies a place of high esteem in traditional and modern herbalism. Osha is native to the high-altitude regions of the Rocky Mountains and other mountainous areas of the western United States and Mexico. It thrives in elevations ranging from 7,000 to 10,000 feet, where the air is crisp and the soil is rich and well-drained. The plant often grows in shaded, moist forests, especially in areas with a mix of coniferous and deciduous trees. Osha's growth habits make it particularly challenging to cultivate domestically. Despite numerous attempts by botanists and herbal enthusiasts, Osha stubbornly resists domestication, requiring the specific conditions of its natural habitat to thrive. This has led to a heavy reliance on wild harvesting, which must be conducted with great care to ensure the plant's sustainability. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Osha is a member of the Apiaceae family, which includes carrots, parsley, and celery. It has a distinctive appearance that aids in its identification, though its resemblance to toxic lookalikes demands careful examination. Osha features large, feathery leaves that are similar in appearance to parsley or lovage. Its umbels of small white flowers bloom in the summer, giving way to seeds that can be used for seasoning. The roots, which are dark brown on the exterior and yellowish on the interior, exude a strong, spicy aroma reminiscent of celery when broken or crushed. This characteristic scent is one of the key identifiers to distinguish Osha from its dangerous doppelgangers, such as poison hemlock, Conium maculatum, and water hemlock, Cicuta spp, which lack this distinctive aroma and are highly toxic. Harvesting Osha is a practice that requires knowledge, respect, and mindfulness. The plant must be mature before its roots are harvested, as immature plants have not yet developed the potency required for medicinal use. Ethical harvesting involves taking only a portion of the root system and ensuring that enough of the plant remains to regenerate. Overharvesting and habitat loss pose significant threats to wild Osha populations, making sustainable practices essential for preserving this valuable resource for future generations. Osha has long been celebrated for its medicinal properties, with nearly every part of the plant offering some form of therapeutic use. The root is the most commonly utilized part and can be chewed, smoked, powdered, or tinctured. It possesses a broad range of medicinal actions, including antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and hemostatic properties. Osha is particularly renowned for its effectiveness in treating respiratory ailments. It acts as an expectorant and diaphoretic, helping to clear mucus from the lungs and promote sweating to break fevers. Its applications extend to treating asthma, colds, flu, bronchial infections, and sore throats. The plant's antiviral properties make it valuable for addressing viral infections, including herpes outbreaks and HIV, while its anti-inflammatory effects provide relief for arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, and other inflammatory conditions. Beyond its respiratory and anti-inflammatory benefits, Osha has also been used to address altitude sickness, headaches, and nicotine addiction. Topically, Osha can be applied to skin wounds, infections, and boils, promoting healing and reducing the risk of secondary infection. The versatility of Osha makes it a staple in many herbal medicine cabinets, particularly for those living in or near its native regions. Osha is not only medicinal, but also edible, with its leaves and seeds adding flavor to various dishes and drinks. The seeds can be used as a seasoning, imparting a unique, spicy taste, while the leaves can be incorporated into soups and stews or brewed into a flavorful tea. Despite its many benefits, Osha is not without cautions. It is unknown whether Osha is safe for pregnant or breastfeeding women, as its emmenagogue properties could potentially trigger menstruation or other adverse effects. As with any potent herb, individuals should consult a qualified healthcare provider before incorporating Osha into their regimen, particularly if they are pregnant, nursing, or taking other medications. Osha, Ligusticum porteri, is a treasure of the plant world, offering an array of medicinal and culinary uses while challenging us to approach it with reverence and care. From its unique aroma to its powerful healing properties, Osha embodies the beauty and complexity of nature's pharmacy. As we continue to rely on this extraordinary plant, it is our responsibility to ensure its survival through mindful harvesting and habitat preservation, safeguarding the legacy of Osha for generations to come.